Hi everyone, Aidan here. I hope that you're all keeping well. Today I'd like to talk to you about sofa quality control inspections. When you're sourcing sofas internationally, you're not just buying furniture, you're buying structural integrity, comfort engineering and long-term brand reputation. At Godard Inspections, we approach sofa inspections with a technical, risk-based methodology developed over 20 years of global quality control. A professional sofa inspection starts with the internal structure. So the first thing we do is we verify the frame material. Is it solid wood? Is it plywood? Is it metal? And we inspect the joint construction methods such as dowels, screws, corner blocks, or staples. We then physically test stability, weight bearing capacity and structural alignment. A weak frame will always fail in the market, even if it looks perfect on day one. The next thing we do is assess the foam and the foam density and cushioning performance. So we use compression testing methods and manual recovery checks. We evaluate resilience, uniformity and potential for premature sagging. Inconsistent foam density is one of the most common issues of post-sale complaints. We then move to upholstery precision. We check the stitching density, the seam strength, thread tension, the pattern alignment, leather grading, color consistency and surface defects. Even minor misalignment can have a significant impact on the perceived value of that sofa. For recliners and sofa beds, we conduct full mechanical functional tests. So we open and close the beds, we do some load resistance, and we do repeated motion checks just to see if there's any stress points or component weaknesses. We also check the overall dimensions against the approved specifications. We check the labeling, the carton markings. We check the packing integrity for transit protection. Also for loading, we check the loading configuration so that this minimum damage may take place. An example of that might be you might want to have some waterproof materials put around the inside of the container when it's being shipped in the summer weather to prevent condensation from damaging the packaging. So again, some common defects that we detect would include structural instability, low density foam substitution, loose stitching, cosmetic damage, incorrect materials, mechanism failure. Our role is simple. Our job is to identify risks. We do the visual inspections. Sometimes you may want a laboratory to do the actual testing so that certifications may be made or achieved, or that certain standards are adhered to, and you want to have independent confirmation that the product is meeting those independent standards. Always remember, professional inspections isn't an expense, it's protection. So if you're sourcing sofas from any factory across the world, make sure your quality control is handled by specialists. There are a lot of people out there who are pretending that they are specialists when they have very little experience behind them.